wala namang kasamukan sa buhay. So, yun lang, walang kasamukan sa buhay at
most people would like being called hot shit.
oh yeah, you can bring friends because everybody, you know, is on their own. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. Oh, I need gas. I'm in the car because I'm going to pick up my mother-in-law. Yeah, I don't vlog inside, but it's still very early. It's 9:09, 8:09. I need to wear glasses every time I drive because the sun is so bright, guys. Like, it's unbelievable. Anyway, guys, how are you guys? Anyway, it's so sunny today. It's a nice day today. It's kinda not hot. Well, usually early in the morning it's not hot. Anyway guys, I will see you guys later when I get there. Oh, yesterday I was been editing a video and watching Yoris TV live, the live. I think that was yesterday that I was like seeing a video of Will Desovich, and I watched his video, and it's kind of very sad. It's really sad. I was crying the whole time, not crying like like that. It's just sad. It's just like suddenly it hit me like, oh my god, seems like I know Will, and because I've been watching his vlog and his sister's vlog, I've been watching them, and it seems like I know them both. And what happened was, it's just like it hit me the whole day yesterday. I kind of like, until I went to bed 12 o'clock because I've been watching Wales. It's like trending now. It's like everywhere, news in the Philippines, everything in the Facebook and everywhere you can see. It's just like never end. Like the whole day yesterday I was like thinking about him, and I shared his video and sent a prayer for him, and it's really sad. I was thinking, because of this, we don't really know what's gonna happen in our life, and you know, it's just really sad. Like thinking, oh my god, we don't really know what's gonna happen. We should be enjoying life. We go enjoy life, because you know, don't really know what cancer that he have that what kind of cancer is that, but I'm praying for him, and hopefully he'll beat this freaking cancer. Like, sucks, this cancer sucks. Anyway guys, so that's it guys. We have to live life to the fullest, and now I have to try my best, more effort na maging okay ang lahat kami, kasi ay nako guys, hindi talaga natin alam kung anong mga mangyayari sa buhay. And some also said that, oh, we have to be thankful. Yes, we have to be thankful. You know what? If not because of my biyanan, I don't have tummy right now. Yes, I am. I'm always thinking about something good. Like, mostly, you know, sometimes, you know, be honest with you guys. You know. But I always, when, for example, if I see, kung nakikita ko yung biyanan ko nag-lonely, nag-isa, nagbabasa ng libro, kasi mahilig yun magbasa ng libro, iniisip ko, okay naman, quiet naman yung siya pag hindi nagsalita. Wala namang kasamukan sa buhay. So, yun lang, walang kasamukan sa buhay at okay naman. So, maawa ako guys, sa isip ko guys, yung sa isip ko, kapag may umaway sa biyanan ko, kapag may gumagalaw sa biyanan ko, may gustong manakit, ganyan, ang sa isip ko ay ay nako, papatayin, ay nako, lagi. Did you call me now?
Hot shit.
Can you imagine guys, your husband call you hot shit?
Most people would like being called hot shit.
No, I'm not.
Hot shit is complimentary, actually.
No, I don't like the shit part. You just call me hot. I'm hot. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed, huh? I'm hot. Hey!
So, you don't record what's going on with
No, nothing. Okay. Hi guys, I'm here. The traffic is so good. The traffic is so good. The traffic is really not like crazy traffic, like, you know. Right, big boy?
Yeah.
But I noticed they do something in the road again. With the shiny part. After the other shiny, there's another one.
So, well, they go mile by mile. They're doing road.
So slippery. That's gonna be dangerous in the snow because
No,
new
it's
road. No, it's new road. It's shiny and black.
It's not more dangerous, less dangerous. The old road has all the exhaust fumes in it. The new one doesn't yet, but it will. Shiny is only because it's new. It hasn't been
And it's
faded.
black.
Because it's not faded from the sun yet.
Okay, everything is supposedly be black when it's new.
Yeah.
The road is
It's
new
just not
black.
faded. The sun fades it. You know.
Okay, guys, I'm here. Okay, let me spend time with Tommy before he's going to work.
And these nights are getting shorter, like a energy I'll conquer. In my soul, this is real. These nights are getting shorter. In my soul, this is real.
Hi guys, Tommy left. I haven't even edited the video yet. May video pa ako dito the download or edit pala. So yun lang. So I'm waiting for my mother-in-law to call. Time check, it's 12:20. Anyway guys, I'm just having fun with this Facebook thing. This Facebook, you guys see. Anong sinabi ng iyong mukha? Yung noo, mataas ang pangarap. Yung mata, sexy at maganda. Yung ilong, good vibes. At saka yung bibig, mapagkakatiwalaan. I don't see any gardener today though. Because my doorbell doesn't ring. And I don't see any. I think they did. Because I see a line. I guess they did. Let me listen the dog. Because I can hear the dog here. Hold on guys. They're not barking. Before I turned the camera and then I talked to the camera. Oh my god, they hear it guys. They went crazy. Because I was talking, I said, Roxy! Stupid of me. I said, Roxy! And she can hear me through the doorbell. And then she went barking like crazy, the both of them. Hi guys, andito pa rin ako. Hindi pa rin tumatawag yung matanda. I'm so sleepy and I still have to drive. Na-bored ako dito. Sobrang nakaka-bored, guys. Alis na kami. Almost 4 na. 3:49 na ng hapon. Mom?
That's fine. I literally said a few weeks prior to everything knowing about this show.
We are leaving very soon. And yeah. She's still inside. I don't know what she's doing, but it's 4 o'clock. And I told her we're going to leave 4. Yung face ko guys nagka-crack. I don't know why this time over here. Mostly in this time. Hold on. Okay guys, she's here.
I didn't get done the first thing I wanted to do then, and I didn't do it.
What?
I wanted to take my bra off. It's killing me, but that's okay. I'll take it off when I get there.
Yeah. I think it's going to rain.
Yeah, it looks like it. Well, they say we might be getting storms.
We have a storm in Texas today.
Oh, really? Yeah. The plane is coming over our way. We're gonna get it. I hope the house is...
Which house?
Our house is secured, you know.
The basement?
Yeah, the windows and everything, you know.
Which house? This house or in
Our
the other?
house here.
There's here?
Mm-hmm.
If there is storm, the problem is the water first.
Yeah, well,
You know, the
the water
basement.
you can't help.
Yeah.
It's just gonna happen. But the destruction could provide it, you know. I hope he doesn't get the storm while he's in this. The lunch yesterday was delightful. We had such a nice time.
It's there in the Bronx.
You know,
Yeah, it's the Bronx,
the shopping center,
over
yeah, the Longhorn.
there.
And it was much better than the Italian garden or whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Their food was terrible and their service was horrendous. Oh yeah, you can bring friends. 'Cause everybody, you know, is on their own.
Yeah.
You know, as far as money wise.
Yeah.
So there's no problem. It's a matter of seats, chairs, telling them how many chairs we need. You wouldn't like it because it's all a big, you know, the guys are constantly telling jokes and carrying on, and there's a lot of laughter and there's a lot of...
And did you see the guy that, what's the guy that give you,
Oh, Renee?
yeah, is he always go with you guys now?
No, he hasn't been with us for a while, since he got sick. And I called him last, what did you say?
Look, if you want Sunday, we can go, you know, I don't know if you go to Andrea Saturday after the party.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you want to go to Andrea, stay over there for a night. But if you want to stay in the house, you know, we can go to Red Lobster for dinner.
Oh.
Red Lobster, you know, it's not expensive. It's just seafood over
Is
there.
it near there? That would be nice. We'll tell Andrea and take her, drag her along with us.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't even go upstairs to see if Tommy had forgotten anything. I don't know what he packed me.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That's grandma. Roxy, go pee. Go pee, baby.
Hello.
Go. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, Roxy. Oi. We're here a while ago. The dog ate their freaking dinner like crazy, guys. I think I told you. It was yesterday. Yesterday? No, I don't tell you. Yesterday I made some... Yeah, I think I did show you. Yesterday it's a chayote. Hold on, guys. My mother-in-law is out. Here's the towel here. Oh, I'm gonna put it over there. Okay, I just forgot. I am making also a lamb, guys. I just like bake it, really season and bake it. Look over there. Lamb is always good. I love lamb. Hi, Mitch. Alush. Stop. That's salmon. That's salmon. This salmon right here, that's salmon.
That's salmon.
Yeah, mixed with seafood, so.
Oh.
Hi guys, we're having dinner. I have the video here, so. We're having dinner and I baked some lamb. It's the good lamb. This, I don't know if you can see now, it's like, I just got it. And we have also that chayote that I made. The lamb. It's so juicy. If you need salt,
Okay, thank you.
if you want more lamb, it's over there.
Okay. I see it's nice and juicy.
Yeah. I like this kind of lamb.
Mm-hmm.
When you talk to Dayan, Dayan doesn't say that Andy is coming. No?
No, that was down because Claire works on Sundays.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
And, yeah, and she works Saturdays also.
Oh.
But they're both coming. If he comes, it'll be him alone.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you? Good. Came up this way, and it was a lot of traffic. Yeah. No, what road did you take? What way did you take?
684 all the time.
684. Yeah.
So good.
Oh. Oh, really? That stage, I've been in that stage for a while.
Good evening. We had dinner and she just was talking on the phone while she's eating, so she's just like, okay. But the time check, it is 8:50 now, and yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog. Tomorrow is early. I'm gonna go run around. I still need to clean the thing. I need to pick up some cake to bring to the party, and you know, like apple pie or something, yeah, that we have something to bring, or a wine or something. But anyway, so I'm gonna end this vlog, and thank you all guys so much for watching. Yep, my mother-in-law is taking her pills. She's downstairs. She's ready to go to bed too. So anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Mga edad na ito, nagdadalaga na sila. Nagdadalaga na. My boy